Okay, here is a piece of that sand live oak that I got from my backyard, the tree that was really suffering. I've tipped this up a little bit with this piece of wood to get it flatter. I'm going to drill a 2 1/4 inch sink into there to then put my woodworm screw and mount it. This will be the top, and the bottom over there. You can see some spalting right here, and that's what I'm going to start with. Okay, here's my sand live oak crotch that is mounted on my woodworm screw. It's got a dead branch. It's been dead some time, so we'll see how this turns out. It looks a little soft. There's going to be areas where it's soft. It was definitely them soft areas where the woodworm screw is attached. Not the woodworm screw itself, but the perimeter of stuff. So we'll see how I go. You can see some nice spalting there. And I'm starting off with the bark all on. We'll see how much of it stays on. Okay, the tenon broke off, so I'm making a mortise. I think that'll work better. I haven't quite got it fully machined out yet, but I'm going to do a recess. So the wood is soft and it just sheared off. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, I've finished turning this and sanding it. Did all the sanding off camera. It's up to 320 from 60 or 60. It's got spalting. It's got some darker and lighter wood. It's got knots here and here. This one I machined most of it away. In any case, I'm getting ready to put tung oil on it, so we'll see how that goes. Making it look pretty nice. And they got a live edge. I guess I could mention that. It's going to be harder to finish because it's so rough, and I never have brushes. I never use brushes. I mean, I guess I have some. Okay, there's the bottom with the wooden nickel logo in. And then there's the top. It's got one coat of finish on it. I'll probably put at least one more coat on it. It's very interesting. Again, it's sand live oak. It's pretty common in Florida here. Okay, here is my latest crotch bowl. Live edge, spalted oak. The type of tree is a sand live oak. It was a tree that was suffering for a while in my yard. You can see this has some nice spalting and various colors. The softer wood is that lightest wood. I did have a little difficulty with my tenon broke off because the wood was soft, so I switched to a mortise and that worked out for me. This thing's about 5-6 inches across and maybe 2.5 inches high. It's a nice little piece. I have another piece of wood that's going to be very similar. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks pretty good.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. If you want to be notified when my next video comes out, then click the bell. I make a video about once a week.